Watch this. Yes, in raising your kids, you must learn something. Learn to depend on God, not to make mistakes. She prayed how to be patient with them, and she is. But at the same time, she should be able to train them well, not to be fighting. You should be able to train your children not to be fighting, because they are not a rack and a ran. You should be able to bring that knowledge to them, to always relate as siblings. Your family is very important. Women, you should learn how to deal with your children in order not to break them or not to be violent with them. See how she was patient with them. At the same time, she should revert to train them how not to be fighting as siblings. But at the same time, these children came together back again to embrace themselves. I remember when I did your friend, you're a doctor, evangelist, aka gospel queen. You can put your opinion in the comment section. Yes, I remain your love coach. Follow me for more relationship tip. It is well with you.